Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you a really fun project that I've been meaning to try, and I hope you like it as much as I do. For this project you're going to need some cinnamon sticks. I got these at the craft store. They are the 4-inch cinnamon sticks, so they're 4 inches, and you need a set of 3. So I bought a bag here, and some of them are broken. Not a lot of them were, but a lot of them didn't really work out for this. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4 sets, so that'll be 4 ornaments that I get to make. And I also suggest some stars, and these are going to be for our Christmas topper on top. And these are stickers. I found these at my local Hobby Lobby. They were in the Christmas section with the stickers, the star stickers. That's where I found those. You're going to need some glue, some hot glue, a glue gun to hold that all together. I also have a couple of yarn options that I'm going to be using. I have this gold and brown, like tan colored one that I had in my stash. I also have this green, white, and gold, which would be really pretty around the tree and the gold star. I also have like this very decorative yarn that I found that I've had for a while, and it's just very festive, and I think it would look very pretty for the tree. Also, you can also use faux fur, so we're going to try this out. This is a very thin faux fur, so we're going to try the thin one. This is Cloud 9 Yarn Bee. I got it on sale, and this is a lightweight yarn. So it is pretty thin, but we're going to try it out and see how it looks. I mean, you can also even try it if you have any velvet yarn. That would be really pretty with the gold topper on top. So we'll try it out. So first we need to set up and get 3 cinnamon sticks as close as the length as you can get them. These are all 4 inches, but I did notice there was a couple of width sizes that were different, so just try and get them as close as possible. And let me see, this seems to be the longer one, so I put the longer one at the bottom. I'm gonna put this over here so I don't get glue on my table. And I'm going to put some glue here on both ends. It's going to be on the top. You want that other opening part to be in the back. And I'm going to put these 2 down. So same, I want that back there. And then once it's like a little sturdy enough, I'm going to put some glue right here at the very top to join make that point like the Christmas tree. So I'm going to hold that together for a few seconds, making sure it's dry and it hardened, and there you go. You already have the first part done. This is like the Christmas tree. Now I'm going to be adding my star, which I love. I'm going to add my star. Now this does have already the sticker on there, but I know it's not going to hold as well as I wanted to, because if my children get a hold of it, it's probably not going to last. So I'm just going to put some more glue on top of that right there. I did remove the little sticker that was holding it, and then I'm just going to hold it there for a few. These are great gifts too. These would make really great gifts, decorating your house and make it smell like cinnamon. So good. Alright, so now it is time for the decoration part. So I'm going to grab a few pieces of yarn and just tie it all up together and see how it works. So first I'm going to go ahead and try the faux fur looking one. So I'm going to tie it right here on the top. What? I'm not going to tie it just now. I'm going to see how it looks. That would be pretty. And then I just grabbed some cotton yarn. And if you can use this as your topper to hold and put it on the Christmas tree or wherever. This could also be like a little garland to go on top of your mantle and put a few dangling. Oh, I think I'm going to do that. But there is that one. If you have any faux fur, this would be pretty. Now let's go ahead and try the other one, because I really want to try the gold one that has this gold one. I don't think I have an opened one yet. I'm going to wrap it the same, and because this is like very fine yarn, I think I'm gonna have to wrap it more times than I did the other one. So gather up here. So I think for what I need to do on here is add a little bit of glue on the side to have it hold in that spot, and that helps a lot. It'll grip it, so then it starts attaching somewhere else. You can see where it started to grip where I put the glue. That is looking so pretty. I think I'm going to keep this like this and make some more. And all I'm going to do is glue it back here. I'm going to put some glue on the end, put that slightly over, just on top, so it lays on top of that glue, and then just cut off the excess. It is there. And this is cute because if your kids help you with it, you can leave this in the back and have them write their name and the date that they made it. How adorable would that be? I have two little kids, so toddler crafts is what's always on my mind. And look how pretty that turned out. If you have a Tuesday mornings near you, they have this kind of yarn in there too. But there is one of my little Christmas decorations. And there is another Christmas tree. Nice two little Christmas trees. And for the last one, I know you can tell by the video, you can already have an idea of how it looks. I'm going to go ahead and try this out with this little sparkly, and this is chunky yarn, so we'll see how the chunky yarn works. I'm going to go ahead and do that really quickly. and hope to see you again on my next video.